Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. This is day number 113. In today's drawing, I will be taking it quite slowly and just doing some sketches. I will not be painting in today's video, but I wanted to do some basic studies and sketches of male faces, and so I took the time to do those studies. In today's video, I wanted to talk about a recent post I posted on my Instagram account, and the post was that doing art won't give you quick rewards. Well, it's basically me talking to myself that doing art won't give me a quick reward, and this is the idea that I got after watching a lot of artists and also being an artist for many years. I've realized this, and it's not sad, but it's just a reality that we have to accept and find ways around it. Quick rewards can be things such as a fast or huge following that comes, or monetary compensation, work opportunities, people commenting or engagement on social media and all of that. All of these things might not come even after you've spent a lot of time, invested a lot of time and energy and studying into your art process. I don't think it's a bad thing, it's just a reality. So when I was creating traditional art for many years, I used to think that, people are going to see my art and they're going to comment, amazing work, you did a great job, and give me job opportunities and all of that. But that wasn't the case. Some people just didn't simply care. Some people had their own evaluation, which was subjective to how they felt, and they would look at my art and say, I don't like this, or I don't like the way you drew this particular face, or something like this. Everything is subjective when it comes to art. Unlike us artists who think that our art is our profession or career, the world has sort of seen art as a hobby or something that doesn't deserve some kind of work respect. Is that the best way to say it? So they judge it based off of how pretty it looks from their point of view, or how it makes them feel, rather than how the artist is trying to convey certain emotions, or the artist is trying to share certain ideas. And so there's this huge gap between the artist and the viewer. And we just have to start to disconnect our work ethic, or let me not say work ethic, our work process as artists from that reward. You have to start thinking and sit down and say to yourself, I'm going to create art for myself, and to have my own goals and reach those goals for myself, rather than trying to impress other people, because it's simply outside of your control. And that is basically the premise of this entire video and what I'm talking about. Trying to impress other people is not up to you. People are only impressed because it impresses them and it's about them. But anything else, what you create is about you. It's in your control. So when you are creating art, you have to sit down and say to yourself, I want to improve, rather than, I've given in my art in various competitions, guys. I've given in my art in drawing competitions, on Proco and Medibang, and I would find various competitions online, and I've given in my work, and I thought, it's so amazing, I'm gonna get a prize, and I didn't get anything. But the moment that I started, for example, my ranking on Medibang's street art has increased. So for the first time, a couple of days ago, I've reached level 3, which was something I never thought I would reach. The highest level is level 7, and I finally reached level 3, which is a huge surprise to me. But I didn't post that particular artwork to reach level 3. I just posted it because I wanted to post it, and it was just something I enjoyed drawing. So reaching level 3 wasn't a goal I had, and reaching level 3 is outside of my control. But what was in my control was, I'm going to draw this portrait and I am going to enjoy drawing it. I'm going to study various things from it. I'm going to learn some lessons from it, such as lighting studies or lighting or color theory from this, and are my proportions okay for my portrait. That was what was in my control. But everything else was outside of my control. So if you are an artist and you're trying to do what you're doing and do art, my advice to you is to only focus and keep your mind on things that you can control. You are in charge of your art progress. You are in charge of how you study art. Much like anything in life, you are in charge of bettering yourself as a human being, as a person. And just leave the rest up to life. Leave the rest up to what happens. You can't get angry at people not liking your art, or you not getting enough subscribers or followers. But you are in control of everything else that you do, such as your artwork. So that is all for today's video. That's all I wanted to share. And I have the post up on my Instagram account if you guys want to read it. And yes, that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of my video, and please subscribe, like, share, and comment for more content such as this. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.